Hi, welcome to this new video. I'm Sergio and I build computer vision solutions to help companies improve their process efficiency, reliability, and scalability. We're now going to see a prototype that I built by using a drone and computer vision to delimit areas in real time from the drone view. Let me give you an example what I mean with delimit areas and why this solution could be useful. I'm taking an example, the video footage that I have. Later we can see more videos about this, where I place traffic cones. You cannot probably see them because they're very small, like the drone is, I don't know if it's around 25. I have some information around 25 meters from the bottom, from the ground. So we have one cone, the second, third, and fourth. So the idea is now to show that we can delimit areas with the cones. And let's say that I want to have the area among these four cones, and that I want to focus only on what's right here inside and not what is outside. You could do this, for example, if you want to zoom that area for some reason because you care about only that area and nothing else, so you can get that and zoom it from the camera. Or you can, for example, choose an area because maybe it might be a forbidden area where it's a dangerous area and you don't want anyone to enter, so you can get an alert in real time if someone is coming that area. It could be also for animals, or if you see that some objects are coming, and so on. So this is a simple drone footage where now I'm drawing on the screen, and of course now I'm drawing this, but the drone is moving, so the limiting of the areas must be dynamic, because you see that now when the drone moves, of course what I drew on the screen doesn't follow anymore where the cones were. So we're now going to see how to apply this solution with computer vision and what problems we can solve. The idea to use computer vision is to detect something in real time, so that even if the view is moving, we can detect the movement and follow the cones wherever they are. So with computer vision, we can detect these four cones, or even more if you have more cones and you want a more complex polygon area. In this case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. This one, if the software is able to detect them, then we can follow the movement. So it doesn't matter how fast the drone is flying. If the camera is continues moving, we can follow and always focus on that specific area. And I have the prototype for this, so I'm going to show you in real time what the software built is doing. Let me now run the video recorded from the software, which is detecting. Let me now pause this. We have traffic cone detections, these orange ones in real time, despite they are very small. We have detection in real time. Automatically, we have a polygon drone for the detecting cones. And also I added the operator. This shows how we can really detect anything we want. We can detect the operator if there is someone working on the area. We can detect animals. We can detect also what type of animal is crossing the field. We can detect external objects, also what type of objects are coming there in real time and from the software. Some other information I am displaying right here. We have the drone height. So this is information that comes from the drone that will help us also get other info from the field and from the specific area. I will also show some of the other examples of this prototype that I built. So in this specific case, we are only drawing the area. I was looking some different frames where I can see also, you see that if the drone is moving, it can follow very well the area. If it sees only 3 cones, it just detects the cone that we can find. And it draws a polygon for the cones that were detected, of course. Let's now see how we can somehow zoom in this area and get more focus on that specific area with this software. Now it's the same view. Again, I processed this with a different version of the software where I'm going to blur everything and just keep the focus on the area we are interested in and also the operator. So as you see, the software in real time was blurring everything that was detected from the video. Of course, now I'm saying in real time this video was processed after it was recorded, but with the speed that computer vision, like the AI algorithms have now, we can have this operation in real time because we can get a process faster than 30 frames a second in real time. So I have a video right here, but if you had like the drone connected to the computer, you would get like this information in real time. What other information can we get from a drone view? We can get also the size of this area. The size of this area in meter square, or of course like the measurement unit that you use in your country, because we have one important information, which is we know how high the drone is flying from the ground. In this case, the drone is 11 meters from the ground. We know what camera has the drone, so we know the aperture size of the camera based on the distance from the ground, the aperture size of the camera. We can then estimate with a good accuracy also the size of the field. And this is very important because it will allow you in real time to count specific areas of the field, like to measure the field, because we will be able to move the cones in real time. So I'm going to now show you also some other examples where I'm moving the cones in real time from the field and how this is automatically detected from the view. Let me now run this one. So you see the operator is coming to move around the cone. And when the cone is on the ground and it's well detected, also the software can recognize them, recognize it. And you see now, of course, the drone is flying higher. We are around 18 meters from the ground while the operator is moving the cone. So in real time, with the use of traffic cones, we are changing the area. We can measure this area. This can be very dynamic. There is something else you can do with this. Let me show you what. If I go back, you notice that when the operator gets inside the area, also the rectangle, like the detection of the operator, changes the color. This is a simple demonstration that we can detect where there is something inside this region of interest. Why could be this important, useful? Because you can do so many things with this. For example, you could have an alert in real time. If an object or a person or an animal comes inside this specific area, you could receive an alert, which could be an SMS, a WhatsApp message, an email, also with a screenshot in real time of this view. So this can be an alert, very useful alert in real time, where the software detects something and you right away receive there was some detection, what was the detection, plus the picture of what was detected. What I show you today are, of course, just some examples of the things that you can do with a drone, with delimiting areas. I took as an example the agricultural field, but you can do this, of course, anywhere, any industry, any type of ground, any object, anything that can be seen from a drone, can be understood by computer vision. We built such software. This was a prototype that I built to show you what is possible to do if you are interested for a company to build custom computer vision solutions to improve your processes and automate some processes that normally now you're doing manually feel free to contact us. I'm going to put the link down below. If not, I recommend you to stick around and follow the next videos coming soon. This is all for today. See you in the next video.